Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. The same component I have modeled in NX. This is the component view. We are going to recreate this component using NX. To do that, first go to the file, new, choose model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the model name, specify the location, save OK. Now we'll start with this vertical cylinder, this plate, base plate. For that, go to the sketch, top plane, save OK. Take the circle, first create a circle, press the roller to confirm. Now the circle diameter is 50, say yes. Then create another circle here. With the diameter is, here they have given radius, the diameter will be 30. And the center distance from this point to here is 35. Press the roller to confirm. Then take the line, just connect the line here as a tangent, press the roller to confirm. Again connect this line as a tangent, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now just remove the unwanted edges by using a trim tool. Just remove it. Then close it. Then we just want to mirror the same feature this side also. For that, press the roller to confirm. Select these edges. Then go for the mirror. Use the center line as this one. Save OK. Then again use the trim. Remove this one. Then close it. Now the sketch is finished. Then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric value. Total thickness is 10 mm. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this base plate. Then we'll create the cylinder. For that, choose the sketch again. Select the surface. Save OK. Take a circle. The center point. Create a circle. Press the roller to confirm. Then go for finish sketch again. Extrude. The total length of the extrusion here they have mentioned as 28. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created all the material addition feature. Then we'll go for the material remove feature of hole. Here they have mentioned the hole of dia 20 counter bore, dia 30 deep 6. So first we will create dia 30 deep 6. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Save OK. Take the circle. Make sure you run the entire assembly. Center point. Create a circle. The diameter is 30 mm. Say yes. Go for finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. The deep is 6 mm. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Then again go for the sketch. Select the surface. Save OK. Take the circle. Create a circle. Press the roller to confirm. And the diameter is 20. Say yes. Press the roller to confirm. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Here we make it until next. Save OK. Now we have completely done. Then we go for creating these two holes. Take the standard hole. Move your cursor to the edge of the circle. Then you will get the hole at the center of the circle. Now the diameter of the hole is, here they have mentioned it as 2 holes with dia 12. Dia 12 normal to the face. Here we make it until next. Subtract. Save OK. Now we have created these two holes. Then we need to create this hole with dia 6 mm. For that, go to the sketch. Choose the right plane. Here change this direction. I change this direction here also. Say OK. Take the circle. Just create a circle. From here to here, not able to mention the dimension. Then first specify the diameter is 6 mm. Say yes. The total height of the cylinder is 28 and thickness is 10. Total 38. 38 minus 12. So just move it. From here, bottom it's 12. So from here, it's not 38 actually. 28 plus 5 is 33. 33 minus 12. 33 minus 12. Press the roller to confirm. Then go for finish sketch again. Extrude. Here make it a symmetric value. Material removal. Save. In that, we have finished this model. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Thank you.